I just wanted to make sure I inserted a clip showing you all how I went through, and the hair that was pre-twisted, I just untwisted it. I'm only using 1 twist per twist. There is no need to add 2. It's going to make it too bulky. 5 packs of that hair. Alright y'all, so right here is where we decided to start adding some of that shining gem and that lock and twist gem beeswax that I showed you all. Right here I started experimenting with some of the diamond parting, and we realized that we should have just did this all the way throughout the head, but it was my first time parting her hair and I just had to try to get my feet wet with it. So right now I'm just making sure that that section has a little bit of product on the root so that I can hold it down. Be sure to clip your sections out of the way. We wanted to go in for a braided root because we wanted to make sure that the twist would last at least a little bit longer. Now keep in mind they are twists, they're not going to last forever, but we did want to make sure it was a little bit more grip there. So I went ahead and added a little bit of a braid, and then you're going to see me split her real hair into 2, and then I'm going to start to twist one section to the right. The opposite section is going to twist to the right. Do not twist it to the left, twist to the right, cross over, and then start twisting down. I'm going to stop doing a rope twist or a Senegalese twist right after her hair is done. Once her hair is finished, I'm going to start regularly twisting. And you will see again what I mean right here. Right now I'm still rope twisting until I get past her hair. Keep rope twisting. So right here I'm checking to see how much more of her hair is left. It's not that much. I'm going to add a little bit of product. I'm still rope twisting to make sure that it holds. I had her sit up so you all can see. Now I'm just going to start regularly twisting. Just regularly twisting down. And do you see those little diamond parts? We should have did that all over the head, but we didn't know. It was our first time. So I'm just showing you that I am regularly twisting down. There are some moments where I'll rope twist again just to make sure that it holds, but then I go right back to just twisting. Alright, so I'm just going to give you all another view of that. I kept saying diamond parting. Those were triangles. So I went in. I'm going to start out with a braid. Keep braiding. We didn't want to stop the braid too early because I did want to ensure that these twists again would last. My sister has 4B-ish hair, 4A, 4B, and so because it's so full and thick, I wanted to make sure the twist would hold. I'm going to split her natural hair in 2, start twisting one side to the right, the opposite side twist it to the right, not the left, twist it to the right. You're going to cross over and then begin a rope twisting all the way down. Rope twist or Senegalese twist. Since I've moved, I've learned that they're actually called Senegalese twists, but in Florida we just call them rope twists. So you're going to do that all the way down, making sure that I grab me some product and keep rope twisting all the way past her real hair. Once her real hair is done, I'm going to start regularly twisting, but I'm just going to rope twist until her hair is completed because I want that twist to hold. All right, so you all just saw the shining gel and the locks twisting gel that we were using. For hair, we're going to be using the OUTRE. Is this OUTRE or Expressions? It's the OUTRE Expressions brand. So we have that twisted up passion Waterwave hair. That was just to make the twist a little fluffier. But the actual OUTRE twist already come pre-stretched for us, so I didn't have to do any work. It was already long, it was already separated. These were about waist length on my client. We then go in with the She Balm Goo. Oh my goodness, it's so good, y'all. We went through almost 2, so this is our newest bottle. They're about $12.99, but the She Balm Goo is the best. If you haven't tried it yet, you should definitely try it. We also wanted some hair accessories, so we picked these up from the hair store. Oh my gosh, make sure you try to apply them with a rubber band because they just started breaking immediately after they came out the pack, but they were super cute to add to jazz up the style.